chapter 3, part 90. It is related that after his death, when laid on his bier, and while he was being washed by the hands of a loving and beloved disciple, while others poured the water for the ablution of Jalal's body, not one drop was allowed to fall to the earth. All was caught by the fond ones around, and has been the case with the prophet at his death. Every drop was drunk by them as the holiest and purest of waters. Yeah, just because stuff like that happened with the prophet and stuff doesn't mean that they promoted it, right? We actually found that they didn't, and not all of it would have been known about. Obviously, if people rinse off your dead body and like the Santa Claus thing, literally people drink the water from the grave. As the washer folded Jalal's arms over his breast, a tremor appeared to pass over the corpse, and the washer fell with his face on the lifeless breast, weeping. He felt his ear pulled by the dead saint's hand as an abomination. He felt his ear pulled by the dead saint's hand as an admonition. On this, he fainted away, and in a swoon he heard a cry from heaven, which said to him, "Ho there! Verily the saints of the Lord have nothing to fear, either shall they sorrow. Believers die not, they merely depart from one habitation to another abode." Translation, as it's called. Some paths refer to say translation.